Hello from Circumtanks Invest. We're talking about investing, finance, and professional women. As a recording time of 3:16 p.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum could trade $3,209, up about 4.15% so far. As you can see clearly on the overall crypto market, we're bright green today, with the key coins Bitcoin and Ethereum both up respectively. Bitcoin is currently leading the effort at 2.23%, while at the same time Ethereum is close to about 4.5% as well. On the altcoin side of the house, we are seeing a mixed bag right now, but if you take this as an average, we're up about close to 4 to 5% so far, with some altcoin a little bit more bullish than others, with Polygon, AVAX, and Terra are all up respectively, close to about 10% so far. And with respect to the overall media front, I would say there isn't really a lot of news, which is typical. We're still, transitioning into the Mondays, if you may, for the international side of the house. So on the media front, I don't really see anything specific. But on the technical front, we know that we've been looking into how much we've been depleted so far. So the reversal that we're seeing right now is just technical speaking the truth, as we've been looking into a reversal already based on my videos that I've been posting in the previous day so far, right? So it seems like technicals never lies and it's still coming true. So it's something we appreciate. And first, I just want to say thank you for my one-on-ones with my Patreon members. You guys are really just lovely people. I really enjoy meeting with you. And just special mention, Sam, Jeff, Edwin, Paige, and Peter. I had a really nice conversation with you today. Hope you guys all have a great Sunday as well, and have a good weekend, and head on to your Mondays. I really look forward to cultivating a relationship going forward, and I hope that our conversations today was both tactical but also helpful in terms of being a good partner with you going forward, right? So with respect to the technical, let's just dive straight into it. As a recording time of 3:18 p.m. on the Eastern Time, Ethereum can trade $3,205, up about 4% so far. It seems like on the technical front, we're reversing nicely, the 32 out of 70 right now. Also on the MACD, we're reversing nicely. So the next level we need to look into is already a level that we broke above, is the 3,150. So congrats on the reversal collectively. And for those actually bought in at the 3,000, you're already up kind of nicely. Not a lot, like just 4%, 5% so far, so it's not terrible. The next level we need to look out for will be the 3,325, and the next level is the 3,470, which are the next level that we need to get up to. With respect to Bitcoin, we are reversing as well. We see that we are 33 out of 70 at the moment. At the moment right now, we are attempting to come back up to the 44, right, with the 42,500, so just gliding at a comfortable level right now. So right now we are seeing a clear reversal on both a MACD and the RSI front right now. We're still relatively oversold, right? So it seems like a reversal is coming, contingent on no more black spot news that's going to be scaring us today. We had an additional one today, but obviously, as I said from my first video, right, that the Omicron or the COVID variants news is no longer the primary factor on the sell-off. It's more a secondary one. But we still, on more of an off market right now. So as we, durate into the Mondays, we might hear more from Feds on their interest rate hikes, potentially, or, any other job numbers coming out with respect to a CPI report that's coming out. So the next affectation, which I believe is a week out. That's something we have to be cautious about, right? Because that could be, a type of a market driver on a macro perspective, and I foresee some sort of anticipatory pressure ahead of the report release. So I'll keep you guys updated on, the momentum, on seeing if there's how we shifting going forward and how do we risk mitigate from there, right? So with respect to Dogecoin right now, it's up about 1.19%, reversing not because of Dogecoin, but it's because of specifically the overall market is reversing right now, the 34 out of 70. So still an okay level, right? In terms of incurring risk, I think anywhere from the current level to the bottom at the 14.99, which is technically 15, will still be a good level to incur risk at. Cardano, it seems like Weibo is showing me something again. So with respect to Cardano, at 120, we are basically at the level. Let me just zoom in real quick. We're exactly at the comfortable level right now. 119 is a more real level, so we're exactly there right now with the 39 out of 70. So at the, I would say, upper echelon of the oversold, but right now it's basically contemplating, do we go back up to 125 as the first level? to the 134 as the real level, right? So we'll see how that goes. Again, 102 was really a stretch for us to get there, and we try to get there by hitting the 112 and subsequently bounce from there. So Solana right now is at the up about 5.28%. Anywhere from current level to the 133 is still a good dip, right? I think we're reversing right now, and 155 is the next level we need to get up to. So if the wash, if we break above 155, that's a good thing because of the fact that's the next resistance level. But we also might see some blockade from there because as any floors or any new levels is basically a new resistance level. So we have to watch if that level is going to be a bounce. So we'll see, but right now it's still oversold, so in a basically levitation mode at the moment. So 34 out of 70 is still not a terrible risk level to incur. XRP is up about 5% right now, and 76 cents. Basically we've been hovering right above the 69, right, and right now it's just levitating as well, 38 out of 70, so not terrible. It seems like we're reversing right now, so XRP seems like it's rebounding nicely to go back up to the 79 and then subsequently go up to 88 from there. Respect to polkadot is up about close to 8% as well. Right now, anywhere from current level to all the way down to the 23 would be good, right? The 41 out of 70, so it's not terrible. Algorand is up about 6.14% at the moment. At the 143, anywhere from the 136 to below is still good at the 43 out of 70, so it's not terrible, but not the best. I would say I'll choose other ones over this one. Shiba Inu is at the 2896. We're still oversold, right? But definitely not as nicely as we were when we were hitting the 26 to 1 earlier yesterday with the 37 out of 70. So it's not terrible. It's still oversold, so incurring some risk if you believe in this long term. MacTac is up about close to 9% right now, reversing up big because we bounced from the 190. We could not get to 175, but let's see how much it can last because of the outliers that we've seen on the MACD front so far. We are at the 45 out of 70, so I probably would not be buying yet. I think 175 is still a good shot of getting it, and I think the CPAT report that's coming out in a weeks or so could be another factor that we need to watch out for. So, but again, right, the logical move was basically anywhere from the $2 mark. So I think as we got to 190, that was a good dip, right? AVAX down up about 9%. We bounced exactly from the level identified at the 79, the 80. So we're basically seeing reversal right now. The next level we need to get back up to is to be above 100. So we'll see how that goes. The next level we will see some resistance will be the 98.54, which makes sense because it's just like at the hair away from 100. Terra is up about 11%, reversing up right now. You can see that clearly we are bouncing nicely at the 46 out of 70. We are showing some signs of reversal on the MACD as well. 74, and we bounced from the 62, which was the exact level that we identified. Would I be buying now? I probably not. I think, again, 62, 52 to 45 are still better level for us. With respect to elrond, we could see that we're at the 200 right now. We broke a 200, so that's good. Right now it's at the 35 of 70, so we need to go up to the next level to the 213, which is the next resistance level, and then subsequently to the 240 from here. So there's a large gap to be formed. But right now, it's still in the frame of reference for us to incur risk, right? Because we're still at the steal level. With respect to risk management, these are the levels identified so far for the respective coins. So let me know if you have any specific questions. And yeah, I think we're in a lot of the attractive and steal levels already, so not terrible to take the right logical risk, right? So really appreciate you on this Sunday. Let me know how it goes and look forward to catching up with you guys more later. Take care. Bye.